In this energy clearing session, we're going to do some clearing around emotional eating. So stay tuned. Hi, it's Robin from Vibration Elevation. And this clearing is one that I've had a few requests about, and it's about emotional eating or the energetic eating. So if you're not hungry, but you're craving things, all of that's energy. So we're going to be doing some just general clearing around energetic eating. And if this is something that you really struggle with or that you have this tendency, stay till the end because I'm going to tell you about a program I have. But this clearing is going to help you stop with whatever trigger, whatever emotional event is causing you to want to just eat when you're not hungry, or just that craving of just eating when you're really not hungry. You shouldn't, but you do. So, not to say that you should or shouldn't. I mean, I don't usually use those words, but you know what I mean. So as you listen to this, think of your pattern. Think of when you really want to eat something, or when you're craving a specific food. Now, this subject is really broad. So there can be a gazillion different reasons why we eat emotionally. And that's why there's a program. But this is just a general one. So if you hold it in mind, hold in the pattern, think about what it is that you crave, when you crave it, when you're stressed or whatever. It's going to help release that. And if you are in a craving right now, perfect. Meaning you can come back to this when you have a craving and listen and actually do this clearing as you have a craving. So let's just do the clearing, hold in mind your food or your pattern, and let's see what happens. Okay, so that's all done. That was a very general emotional eating clearing. Now, like I said, emotional eating, or the energy behind snacking and eating and craving certain foods and eating too much when you're not hungry, all that kind of stuff, it's all energetic. It can stem from childhood patterns, coping mechanisms, fears. There's all types of reasons that somebody energetically eats. And it's really common. So it's not like it's unusual in any way. So I've created a program that's a combination of energy clearing with hypnosis, because hypnosis really will help also get to the root of the emotional patterns along with the energy clearing. So it makes for a really good combo. And I will leave a link in the description if you're interested, because all of these patterns are held in the subconscious mind and the energy field. And this is something that I used to struggle with. So this is how I ended up clearing all of my cravings and bad habits. So anyway, thank you so much for watching or for listening, and I'll see you in the next one.